We have Anila Singh of the BJP joining us on the broadcast as well. Anila Singh, good afternoon. Thank you very much for speaking with us here on Times Now. How will you like to respond to the comment made by Ram Gopal Yadav, which we are also playing for our viewers, on what happened in Sambhal? He said, तो होगी पत्थरबाजी, पुलिस अगर ऐसी कार्यवाही करेगी तो बूथ लूटेगी, अगर तो आगे चलकर लोग क्या करेंगे निराश होकर.
My Ram Ram to all, and like right from the beginning, after the Sambhal incident happened, we were saying this thing because Samajwadi Party is very frustrated because of the defeat. The incident which happened in Sambhal, it is the repercussion of that. They are not able to take the defeat in a good manner, in a decent manner. And the way people got collected, and especially if you see like small children, teenagers, they were pelting stones. So it was pre-organized because they knew that survey team is going to come for the survey. So it was pre-organized. But I have to tell Mr. Ram Gopal Yadav, आप कुछ भी कहते रहिए कि अगर बूथ की लूट हुई है तो ये पत्थरबाजी उससे हो रही है. अब जो कानून अपना काम करेगा, जो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन और पुलिस अपना काम करेगी, जो कि ड्रोन में कैद हो गए हैं, तो आप निश्चिंत रहिए, नतीजे जो है ना आपके मुताबिक नहीं आएंगे.
All right. Anila Singh, appreciate you joining us here on Times Now and sharing with us your perspective. Let me go back to my colleague Pradeep, who continues to be with us at this point in time. So clearly, now the question is, what will Akhilesh Yadav say after this kind of a statement coming in after the action by police, where we know that one Samajwadi Party MP Ziaur Rahman Barq and a Samajwadi Party MLA's son, in fact, has been booked among the number of people who have been booked in this particular case?
See, Hina, Akhilesh Yadav had been raising two important questions. One question, he had been saying that Ziaur Rahman Barq was in Bangalore. So why a FIR has been lodged against him? And the second question, he had been saying what was the need for the second survey. Jab pehla survey ho gaya tha, why they went for the another survey, that's what actually he's saying. So far as the second question is concerned about the survey, already we have seen that Vishnu Jain has already put out a notice on social media that punctures narrative unleashed by Akhilesh Yadav. That notice clearly indicates that already this notice was served to both the Masjid committee as well as the other section, and they were already informed about the second survey. And the second survey was conducted because during the first survey the light was not proper, so they wanted to have a second survey. That's why they were well aware of the fact. But yes, there was some kind of a planning going on. That's one of the reasons that already people were holding stones in their hand. They were even carrying the weapon, and they started targeting the survey party. And despite police asking them to show restraint and refrain from such activities, they did not stop, and finally police had to resort to cane charging. That is what the administration is saying. So Akhilesh Yadav, the second question about is saying that Ziaur Rahman Barq was not present. Police is saying it is not the location that mattered. It's basically the content, and the provocative statement that he had been giving was enough to instigate people. And most of the time, most of the people who got instigated were youngsters. They were teenagers. That's one of the reasons the police is saying that 25 of them have already been detained, and they have been sent to the juvenile home in this regard. They are saying that somewhere they are playing with the career and future of these youngsters for their vested political interests. So war of word between opposition as well as the administration right now is continuing, and even they are trying to put blame on the Sabarmati Express, a bizarre analogy that has been drawn by
Pradeep, request you to stay on with us. In fact, let's once again listen into what exactly Ram Gopal Yadav had to say on this.
सर, संभल में आज सर्वे करने गई थी टीम, वहाँ पर पत्थरबाजी हुई है, पुलिस के
तो होगी पत्थरबाजी, पुलिस ऐसे कार्रवाई करेगी, बूथ लूटेगी अगर तो आगे चल के लोग क्या करेंगे, निराश होगी.
सर, संभल में आज सर्वे करने गई थी टीम, वहाँ पर पत्थरबाजी हुई है, पुलिस के
तो होगी पत्थरबाजी, पुलिस ऐसे कार्रवाई करेगी, बूथ लूटेगी अगर तो आगे चल के लोग क्या करेंगे, निराश होगी.
So while the Samajwadi Party netas openly provoked and have now blamed the state administration, here's the police version on how there was a clear case of provocation and why the Samajwadi Party netas have been booked. Listen in.
एक फैक्ट क्लैरिफाई कर दीजिए, जो ज़ियाउर रहमान बर्क का आपने नामजद, ये कल की हिंसा में उनका नाम आया पूर्व में दिए गए बयान पर, क्योंकि कल वो बेंगलोर में थे जो सांसद है.
किसी भी व्यक्ति का किसी भी जगह पे होने से उसका कोई उद्देश्य नहीं होता है. उनके द्वारा जो दिए गए पूर्व में दिए गए बयान थे और 168 बीएनएस का उनको बीएनएसएस का नोटिस उनको भी तामील कराया गया था. उनके पिताजी को जो ममलूक उर रहमान है उनको 10 लाख के मुचलके से पाबंद भी करवाया गया था. इस तरीके के इन लोगों के द्वारा बार बार समय समय पर बयानबाजी की जा रही थी, जिससे लोगों को है समय समय पर भड़काया जा रहा था।
And viewers, amid the political storm over the Sambhal violence, Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav has stirred another controversy. He has linked the violence to the movie The Sabarmati Report. He has alleged that some individuals got inspired by the film, leading to unrest. Akhilesh Yadav further claimed that indictment was used as a tactic to gain prominence.
कुछ लोग तो ये कहते हैं कि साबरमती फिल्म देख करके उन्हें लगा कि उन्हें भी बड़ा नेता बनना है, इसलिए ये सब कुछ कराया गया।
Let's now go across to my colleague Adib joining us on the broadcast. More on this. Adib, a shocking statement there coming in from Akhilesh Yadav. Now he's trying to link it to the film Sabarmati Report and trying to suggest that incitement in fact was used as a tactic to gain prominence.
Well, definitely, Hina, it's a bizarre comment that has been made by Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav. He's linking it with the Sabarmati Report. And he's saying that some people who recently watched the movie wants to become a big leader, and they think that they can get influenced by the movie, and that's why they orchestrated this entire thing. And remember, Samajwadi Party and the entire opposition has been blaming it on the state government, on the local administration, that it was the fault of the state government and the local administration that the violence took place in Sambhal. And now Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav, while he was in Delhi today, said that the people who recently watched the Sabarmati Report, it is because of them that they want to become a big leader, and they are getting influenced because of this movie.
Right. Clearly a bizarre statement there coming in, Adib, as far as Akhilesh Yadav, the Samajwadi Party chief, is concerned. And Adib, now, we have seen since yesterday provocative statements being made by Samajwadi Party netas, be it Akhilesh Yadav or Ram Gopal Yadav. What is it that the administration has to say on, specific claims that are being made by them?
Hina, see, first of all, it was the Samajwadi Party chief, Akhilesh Yadav's uncle Ram Gopal Yadav. First, he said that the stones are people are gonna pelt stones if booths are gonna get captured. Then Akhilesh Yadav blamed it on the government and the administration, that the government is the failure of the government, and what was the need for the second survey. But the administration, and in fact, the petitioner has made it clear that the notice was served to both the parties that the survey will be carried out on Sunday. First survey was carried out on 19th of November. It was not completed, and the second survey will be carried out on the specific date and specifically at the time that was being told. Now the administration is saying that all the miscreants, those who are involved in this case, will not be spared. And as far as the allegations made by the political leaders are concerned, the administration is saying that we told both the parties that the survey will be conducted, and the same message was sent by the petitioner himself that the survey will be conducted on Sunday itself.
I request you to stay on with us. In fact,